How to create Weverse account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'll guide you on how to sign up on Weverse account. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. First, install the updated version of Weverse app from Play Store or App Store. Then tap on Open button and launch the application. Once you open the application, you will land on this kind of interface where you will find the accesses that are required for Weverse. Once you have read all this, tap on the Start Weverse at the bottom of the screen. Now select the convenient language for you to use on Weverse. For me, it's English, so let's tap on English. Tap the Next button at bottom of the screen and select Join and Login at bottom of the screen. So if you already have an account, you can easily log in using your email or different kinds of social media platform. So in order to sign up, let's enter our email address and tap on Continue with this email button. Here tap Sign Up Now button. Enter the new password and confirm the new password using the criteria given below. Once you do it, tap on the Next button and enter the nickname here for the Weverse. Then tap on the Next button at bottom of the screen. Here are the terms of use agreement. You have to check mark all these tick mark and tap on the Next button at bottom of the screen. Now you have to verify your email by opening your email. You can check your email, and once you verify, you can easily go to the login page and enter the credential to log in your account. That is how we create Weverse account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.